of silver streams, where the moonlight softly gleams, stands a maiden robed in green, playing songs of lands unseen. Her fingers glide on golden strings, every note like magic rings, through the forest, through the glen, awakening the hearts of men. Hear the whisper of her tune, carried by the rising moon. She's the enchanted harp maiden, voice of the emerald land. Every note she's playing feels like a guiding hand. In the night she's weaving dreams no heart can hide in. Forever she's singing, the enchanted harp maiden. Above the sea, ancient winds remember thee. Every wave and every star knows exactly who you are. Through the heather soft and white, olden spirits walk beside, while her harp of silver tone turns the wild hills into home. If you wander through the night, follow music, follow light, past the stones and ancient glade, you will hear the harp she plays. She's the enchanted